Hello everyone. In this video, we will cover how to connect an alarm detector and set up arming mode. We'll be working with an IT88 indoor monitor and a smoke sensor. Here is the wiring diagram. Please note that we will connect the IO1 cable with the NO cable of the alarm sensor. So, later we need to select NO trigger mode on the device screen or web interface. Connect 10-pin terminals to the indoor monitor. Connect the GND cable with the COM cable, and then connect IO1 cable with NO cable. IO1 to 8 stands for 8 arming zones. You can choose one of them as you need. Give the connection a tug to make sure it is strong. Now power up the device. You have two ways to configure the basic arming settings, by doing it on the device or on its web interface. I'll show the process on the device first. Tap Settings and Advanced Settings. Type in a password. Our default code is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then tap Arming. On the left side, you can choose the different zone. I'll stay in the Zone 1. Here you can customize the location, the sensor type, trigger mode, including normal open and normal close, and change the alarm status. Disable status means it cannot be triggered. 24H means it cannot be disabled, while enabled depends on the arming mode you select. Tick on the alarm actions if you need. However, for further specific configurations, you need to log in the web. Don't forget to tap Save when you complete the setting. You can also do this on the web interface. Open Chrome browser and enter indoor monitor's IP address. The default username and password is admin and admin. Go to Arming, Zone Setting, and Zone Setting where you can set up location, zone type, trigger mode, and status, like what we did on the device before. Click Submit. OK. Let's trigger the sensor to see what's going to happen. Tap Disarm button on the screen, and type in code, then you can disarm the system. The default disarm code is 0000. Thank you for watching.